So now, before we start diving into LLMs and AI agents, I wanted to start talk, talking about data. So we had a conversation earlier, and then I was listening to your podcast as well, Robel, and you had this quote from the current CEO of IBM: "The eighth of companies can't make the most of their data because they have bad data." And so the other sort of thing that we talked about was sort of the ImageNet model, instrumental computer vision data set, 14,000 images or so. Maybe I'm off by a zero. It was really a data set that helped advance computer vision, and they evaluated the data set. They saw that it had 6% error rate in the data set. And if you corrected those errors without doing anything to the architecture of a model, you can increase the accuracy by 10%. So kind of a couple examples that highlight the power of accurate data powering these AI models. So I want to talk about how enterprises should think about data today, and then get your thoughts on sort of power of data that's powering these AI systems.
Sure. So one of the things then we should have talked about what Innodata does. So Innodata, we are 35 plus years back, and we consider ourselves to be leaders in high quality data. Did the journey 35 years ago, creating trade data for Bloomberg, Thomson Reuters, elsewhere, where we're creating very high quality, unstructured that positively of digital products. Fast forward 30 years, machine learning, now what we call as traditional AI, we started in data, right? So we started data for all you're doing, entity tagging, relationship tagging, NER data sets. Then when now in the Gen AI world, what we see is the world of human domain expertise to train these models is exponentially evolved than ever before. So if you think about LLMs today, an LLM by nature is a word generator, right? It is thinks about, it speaks, and then it's predicting what the next word, what the next sentence is going to be, and it's found to. So how do we create to create such high quality ground truth, golden data sets, platinum data sets, and doing evals that allow you to ensure that your models are being accurately tracked. So yesterday, actually, MIT came up with a statistic that 98 agentic solutions are failing because of lack of effort. I think that as enterprises start to adopt it, if they don't think about high quality data, guardrails, and pick about more important culture like change management, these systems are not going to go into production, and they will fall across the chasm. So I think this is the time to really focus on enterprise data quality and creating these bonds and products.